Hi there! Shefali is eagerly practicing her lines for the school play in front of the mirror. This helps her know how she looks as she delivers her lines. Shefali sees herself in the mirror to practice her expressions. Here, Shefali is the subject. A subject is a person or thing doing an action. Shefali sees something. But what does Shefali see? Shefali sees herself in the mirror. The answer is the object of the sentence. The object is Shefali as she sees her own reflection. Think of this reflection as a reflexive pronoun. Just like the mirror reflects Shefali's actions, a reflexive pronoun also reflects the subject of a sentence. Herself is the reflexive pronoun in this sentence. We use reflexive pronouns when the subject and the object of a sentence refer to the same person or idea. We don't say Shefali watches Shefali in the mirror. We use herself instead. Shefali learnt this mirror technique from her dancer friends. Dancers practice in front of a mirror for hours to observe themselves and perfect their dance moves. In this sentence too, the subject and object are the same, dancers. Themselves is a reflexive pronoun used to talk about more than one person. Yash has been painting stage props all morning long. Now he treats himself to a much-deserved break. Here, himself is the reflexive pronoun since the subject is a boy or a man. On his break, he looks into a mirror and wonders, Yash, where do you see yourself in 10 years? Yourself is another reflexive pronoun used when the subject and the object is you. Yash notices a little bird has made a home for itself in the theatre. Notice how itself is used when the subject and object are animals or things. Just then Shefali appears. Shefali and him look tired, almost worried in the mirror. Notice that ourselves is used when the subject and object is plural or we. Well, let's look at how many reflexive pronouns Yash and Shefali taught us. But wait, there's more. Reflexive pronouns are also used to emphasize the subject and the action they take. This focuses only on that person or thing and nothing else. Yash and Shefali thought to themselves, yes, we ourselves will give it our best tomorrow. Here, ourselves emphasizes only on the students and their enthusiasm. Let's see. Yash and Shefali wonder, do they have enough space in the theatre? Yes, the theatre itself can hold all our school students. Itself is a reflexive pronoun, but here it emphasizes the theatre's size. In such cases, reflexive pronouns are called emphatic pronouns. How do we find out if a pronoun is reflexive or emphatic? It's easy. Drop the pronoun. If the sentence still makes sense, it's an emphatic pronoun. Like in these sentences, we will give it our best tomorrow and the theatre can hold all our students. Phew! See? Nothing changed. Emphatic pronouns. But if the sentence doesn't make sense, it's a reflexive pronoun. Like when the boy treated himself to a break, imagine the sentence without himself. You can't, can you? Okay, we're all done now. So here's wishing them all the luck for tomorrow's performance. Till then, keep practicing reflexive pronouns by yourselves. Bye.